So dear children, so let's continue with that activity 2.6. Next question is how to explain how the separation takes place. An immiscible liquid is a mixture of two or more liquids which do not mix with each other. So immiscible liquid means the two or more liquids which do not mix with each other. It is known as immiscible liquids. So for example, all types of cooking oil are immiscible with that water. So for example, when you go to your home, you just take some oil and mix it with water. So after some times, you can see the two different layers. The oil, it will not miscible with that water. So all cooking oils are immiscible with water. And in case of immiscible liquid, heavier liquids settle at the bottom and that lighter liquid floats on the top. So you can see the two different liquids are there. So in that the heavier liquids, it will settle at the bottom and that lighter liquids, it will float on the top. And a separator is a simple instrument to ease the process of separation. So for that we need the separating funnel. So it has an opening at the top. So at the top we have to open and we pour the liquid mixture from this opening and let it settle for a few minutes using a stand. So when we open the top and we have to pour that liquid on that liquid to that separating funnel and we have to shake it well and we have to keep it away for few minutes. So after few minutes, miscible liquids form separate layers. So after few minutes, we can see the separate layers, we can see that. So which we filter out one by one. So we can easily filter it, the two layers one by one. So what are the applications of the separating funnel? To separate mixture of oil and water. So we can separate the oil and water with the help of separating funnel. And in the extraction of iron from its ore, the lighter slag is removed from the top of by this method to leave the molten iron at the bottom in the furnace. So at the extraction of iron from its ore, so these separating funnel can be used. And the principle is that immiscible liquids separate out in layers depending on the densities. This principle is very simple. So the immiscible liquids separated out in layers. There is the layers, it will take place, showing that depends upon that the density of the two liquids. The higher density of the liquid, it will settle in the bottom, settle down at that bottom. And that lower density, it will be settle at the top of the component. So with that, we can easily separate the immiscible liquids. Okay, children, see you on next session. Thank you.